I've been having a real hard time with my words lately, Brooke. Hello everybody and welcome to this week's AVARigs. My name is Wesley, not as always, and to my left, I have a wonderful looking PC in a, what I like, personal opinion, just a disclaimer, not saying it's the, best of the best, but in a Corsair case that I personally like. And I would venture to say that this is going to be one of the last videos featuring a, well, no, one of the last few, I should say. It's not going to be the last, but one of the last videos featuring a 20 series cards. As everybody knows, the 30 series started shipping. If you were lucky to get through all the mumbo jumbo mess with the pre-orders and the bots, congratulations, hope you're having a great time. But we're gonna start seeing them very soon come through our AVARigs, because obviously we're gonna wanna showcase it. But beyond that, let's go ahead and dive into what this system actually is. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start with the case. So the case is going to be a Corsair iCue 220T. This is obviously the black edition. It does have a tempered side panel, and I believe this one has the tempered front panel as well. The white edition, I really like that one. I was actually telling Brooke, who is behind the camera, how I like the white one. It comes with this really cool looking, how would you call it, Brooke? What kind of panel is that? It's
Designed? Oh, that's a terrible word.
It's not designed. Oh,
it's patterned.
A pattern. There you go. There you go. It's patterned. I could be wrong though. It might come with this one too. It might be a swappable option. I don't know. I don't know, because I need to know, obviously. As for the motherboard, we're going to have an MSI MPG Z490 gaming motherboard. And in the socket is going to be a Intel Core i9-10850K, which is going to be a 10-core processor. Truth be told, I don't know a lot about that processor. It kind of just appeared one day. I saw the boxes, and I was like, oh hey, how are you? As for the GPU, it's going to be an RTX 2080 Ti. This is going to be a black edition. And I mean, we've talked a million times about it, but it is sadly being put to rest by the 30 series cards, which if you're interested, go down to the links below. Brooke will put links to all the 30 series cards and all that good jazz, but we'll go over that at the end of the video. Moving on to the memory, it's going to be a kit of Corsair, a Corsair Vengeance RGB. It's going to be a 32 gig kit, clocked at 3600 megahertz. What? Don't make fun of me. All right, I want to make sure I cross all my T's and dot all my I's. As for the power supply, which you can't see because it has, it's hidden by the shroud, it's going to be a EVGA 1000 G5. That's a power supply. Nothing fancy. Powers it. It's crazy, right? As for the CPU cooler, it's going to be a Corsair H100i RGB Pro XT edition. Can you see? I can't see. Is it lit up? Is there RGBs? There's RGBs. And then not a lot of storage. No HDDs. But we do have a Samsung 970 Evo Plus. Look, dude, don't hate Brooke. She's making mad faces at me right now. We have a Samsung 970 Evo Plus 1 terabyte M.2. And then rounding everything off with the two final things, we're going to have a network adapter down here. And that's going to be the ASUS PCIe AC51. And then rounding it off with a nice RGB strip there and in the back too. Does this case come with an RGB strip?
I don't think so.
Oh, they put two in there? Oh, it's crazy. I haven't seen us do that before. Oh man. Wow. A lot of pizzazz going on in here. Wow, I like that. I really have not seen us do that before. I've never seen somebody order 2. Crazy. Crazy. Now what kind of system this is? Oh, I messed that up. Oh, I messed that up too. What kind of system is this, Wesley? Well, it's great that you ask. This is a gaming system, 100%. They got 2 RGB strips, all right? You can't tell me, all right, this is going to a business, all right? Maybe it is, but if I was a betting man, this is for gaming. 2 RGB strips, dude, double the FPS, all right? Solved. There's your problems. There's your FPS problem solved. Who needs a 30 series? Just get 2 lighting strips. So what do I like and what do I not like about this build? Well, I'm gonna be honest, there's not much that I don't like about this build. I wanted to see something, I had to check something out on the motherboard. One thing for me though is, I personally don't like using Wi-Fi for gaming when I'm on my PC, actually in general. So I hardline anything and everything. Sorry for the loud noise, it was falling down. I didn't want to sound muffled, it's falling again. Me personally, I don't like Wi-Fi or using Wi-Fi for gaming. I've always been a big fan of hardline. So I guess the only thing I wouldn't like is the Wi-Fi adapter, but it's really not doing anything. It's not hurting anybody. Beyond that, I mean, this is a system I would build. I really do like the case though. I like the 220, the iCue 220Ts. I don't know why. I don't like big cases. God, I hate big cases. I can't. Because you got all that room for activities, but no activities. All right? So I like cases like these. I like compact, but I don't want to do anything smaller than this. Oh, heavens no. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning into this week's episode of AVARigs. A lot of crazy things going on in the world, as always. It's really sad to say. But I think, one of the craziest things in the tech world is, trying to get your hands on a 30 series, which I don't know if that's calmed down or not. It's been about a week, I think. No, I can't remember. I know it was last week that they dropped. But there's going to be some information down below. There's a couple links. I don't know how many links. Brooke told me 1, maybe 5. I don't know. But there's going to be links down below in regards to the 30 series. And I just received word that we have updated our Instabuilder configurators, and we do have the 30 series cards in there now. So if you just want to be, simplistic, point, click, and be done, go ahead and check out the Instabuilder. If you like to go in a little bit more depth, we have an awesome configurator system where you can pick and choose the parts yourself, or you can reach out to our sales team. That information will be down below. So as always, I don't say this very often. I think I'm like the only one that doesn't. Be sure to, drop us a comment, give us a thumbs up if you'd like, and hit that subscribe button to get, to see all of our future content. Oh, you hit the bell. That's what you hit the notification bell. I don't say it often, but you know the drill. We greatly appreciate it. But until next time, my name is Wesley, and this has been AVARigs. If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com.